Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you pay to remove ads in Pixel Flow, but after reinstalling the app you're seeing ads again? Here's the fix. A confirmed billing issue that's easy to correct. First, close and fully reopen the Pixel Flow app from your recent app, since the no ads purchase sometimes needs a fresh server resync to reactivate, and simply relaunching triggers that check. Go inside Pixel Flow settings and menu and look for a restore purchase option, then tap it. This sends a request to App Store to confirm your no ads purchase is active on your account and tells the game to remove ads immediately. On iPhone, purchases are tied to your Apple ID, so after reinstalling, you specifically need to restore purchase to link that status. Restore purchase does not bring back your no ad status. Go to your settings, then tap on your name at the top. Now go to media and purchases, and then go to purchase history. Then go to purchase history inside media and purchases. After that, confirm the Pixel Flow app is listed, and if the charge is confirmed but their ads are still showing, then contact Apple support directly, since Apple Store purchases and refunds are handled by Apple, not the game developer. So all you've got to do is reopen the app, tap restore purchases in the settings, and check your Apple ID purchase history. If ads are still showing, no ad status, come back, and that's it. Subscribe.